teaching you how to draw a hamburger, french fries, and soda. Let's get started.
These are the markers that you need. 2 shades of brown, 1 shade of red, and 1 shade of all the other colors. For this one, pencils are optional, so feel free to just do a free draw without any pencils. Let's get started on our work. First, for the bun of our hamburger, we are going to use the lighter shade of brown. Let's do it on the left side of our paper. A rainbow shape, however big you want it. And then, just do a line at the bottom connecting it, like that. Then, close up your brown marker, put it at the top of your paper, and take your dark brown marker and make some poppy seeds at the top. Feel free to do as many as you want, covering the whole bun. I'm going to do just some at the top. Since it's a darker shade of brown, you can just go over it with the lighter shade. Put the darker brown aside for later when we get to the fillings inside of the burger. For the bottom of our burger, we want it to be an actual bottom of our burger, but not able to eat it. So let's do one straight line as far from the bun as you want it. And then let's make 2 tiny lines at the bottom and connect them. Just like that. Now color that whole thing in. Like that. Now color the whole entire bun in. And if you want, you can pause the video to color the whole thing in. I'm just going to do it fast, but then at the end, I'll fast forward it so you could just pause the video and match the same coloring if you want. Just like that. Now, let's get inside of the burger. Let's take the darker shade of brown again to do that meat at the bottom. Use the side of it so it makes it look darker than the bun. Just like that. Now, on top of it, let's do some lettuce with our green marker. Let's make some triangles as big as you want. Maybe some other sizes too. On both sides, just like that. Now do one across the top. Now color that whole thing in. You could just make it flat lettuce if you want. But I like making some triangles in my lettuce to make it look a little more cartoony. Like that. Now you have 2 things inside of your burger. For the third thing, let's do a tomato right on top of the lettuce. You want to get some of the red inside of the green so it looks like it's on top of it. Now just color that whole piece of red in. Just like that. Now you've done 3 things inside of your burger. Let's do the cheese in our burger next. Let's just do a sideways or diagonal line on one side of our burger. On the other side, let's just do a straight line. Now connect those 2 lines a little bumpy, but you could do it straight. just like that. Now for the last thing on our burger. If you have a lot of space and if there's another topping that you want to add inside of it, go ahead and do it. But I'm just going to add a big thing of onion, even though I don't like onions. It's okay if you have a little bit of space left, because you can just make the bun a little bit bigger. Now you have finished your burger. If you want, you can add a little flag at the top, but I'm just going to leave it plain. Next up, we're doing our french fries. Take your red marker and do a U shape, connecting with the burger, so it looks like that. Now, do a straight but a little bit of a curvy line for our french fry bucket. Make a line that connects to the burger, but so you can just see a little bit of the red underneath it too. Close up your red, put it at the top of your paper like we did with the brown. And then take your yellow and make an M. We're going to make a bubble letter, so let's make two a little bit curved lines at the sides of our M. Now, let's make another M connecting to those lines. Let's color it in. Just like that. Now, let's do the french fries inside of our bucket. First off, let's start with a regular sized one. They're sticking out of the bucket that's pretty tall, so all of the french fries will be a long french fry. Now let's do one that's just a little bit bigger than the other. Just like that. Now you have 2 french fries in your bucket. We're only going to do 4, but you could do more than 4 if you want. Let's do a shorter one now. It could be thin or thick. I'm doing mine a thick one. Now let's do a super tall one. It could be bumpy because not all fries are perfect. But if you want, you can make really cartoony ones, or if you know how to draw realistic ones, then you could do that. Let's color in our McDonald's bucket. So outline the M just like that, and then you can color the rest of it in. And you don't have to use markers for this. You could use pencils, paint, or even pastels. Now you have finished your bucket. You have a hamburger and french fries, but there's one more thing left, the soda. Let's take blue and make a sideways oval. Just like that. Then make a tiny circle on the left side. Color in the rest of the oval, but leave that circle white. You could turn your paper to get good angles, and so that you could color it in. And you don't have to go it. Now, get your black and make a straw. Take your red out again, and just make some diagonal lines on the straw to make a pattern. Just like that. Now, let's do the rest of the cup. Keep your red marker and don't take another one. of like the French fry thing, we're going to make 2 little diagonal lines. And we're going to make a McDonald's sign on that one too. And then the same thing that we did with the French fries. Connect the M, color it in, and then color in the cup. And you can take your time. If you want to pause the video, you can pause it and color it on your own. You did it! You finished your drawing. If you want, you can take your black marker and make a line at the bottom. You finished your drawing. Now would be a good time to pause the video to match the same coloring if you only did it in pencil.